Spanning over the Narragansett Bay and connecting the towns of Bristol and Portsmouth is the Mount Hope Bridge. The New Hope Bridge Company emerged and wanted to build a bridge at the narrowest point of the Narragansett Bay to accompany the increasing use of automobiles. The company hired David Steinman to design the bridge and would begin construction in December of 1927. Structural issues with the cables arose months before its completion, and portions of the bridge were disassembled and reassembled before opening in October of 1929. The bridge spans a length of 6,130 feet, or 1,861 meters, and the towers are 285 feet, or 87 meters tall. To accompany the natural landscape, the bridge was painted green, which was unique compared to the typical black and gray colorway many other bridges were painted. The bridge was awarded the 1929 Artistic Bridge Award of the American Institute of Steel Construction. Several days after the grand opening, the stock market crash of 1929 began what is now known as the Great Depression, which caused the Mount Hope Bridge Company to go under in 1931. The bridge was acquired through receivership by Rudolph F. Hoffenreffer III, and ownership was later transferred to the state in 1954. Since then, the bridge has been maintained by the Rhode Island Turnpike and Bridge Authority and sees around 15,000 vehicles per day crossing the Narragansett Bay. Thank you for watching this episode of the Reveal Our Eye video series brought to you by Nova Pro Media. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. We'll see you soon.